Today I write, tomorrow I will have a lot to say, SHIB Army. All of this got me excited to get to the captain spreadsheet, and also it made me go back to CoinMarketCap. I noticed it's up 1.95%. I'm talking about Shiba Inu, by the way. Adam Shelton here, the captain speaking. So this quote here, I started to think about the future of SHIB. So if you spend $750, that'll give you 73,000 Shiba at the recording of this video. I actually did the numbers right here. So it gets you around that range, right? So at the recording, it's $750 value, 4 zeros in the price. That's the current market price, market cap, but the SHIB profits is 7 cents. As we continue here with $750 and with news that's coming out, I'm not saying it's gonna happen today, but you gotta wonder about what Shiba future. And I do believe with the Shibarium and other thing that's coming out with this, the SHIB games, I can see this happening. So even if it did that with 750, it can at least get to 7,500. However, think about this. Let's stretch a little bit farther. $75,000 from a $750 investment. If you're going to look at a project, SHIB is one of those projects, and it's a few other ones out there that you know that it's got room to grow. The price went back down because of the market. So what happened is gotten people able to dollar cost average or even get into this. Now I know I said SHIB to millions. I get all that. If this thing gets to about here, there you go. That's 3 cents. So let me go back to 2 cents, okay? 2 cents with a $750 investment, maybe in 5 years, 6 years, X amount of years, can get you $1 million. And SHIB is being adopted. I actually am up near an AMC theater. An AMC theater actually said, yes, SHIB is coming. The manager in AMC literally said that. So I'm wondering, hey, is SHIB going to AMC, Regal, maybe your department stores? This number here, that price here can go to a number that we don't even know by now. So I'm not saying he's saying anything, Satoshi, that's going to ignite the SHIB Army. I'm pretty sure he probably will. But I went back to the captain spreadsheet and like, okay, I know people on limited budget, 750 will get you this. But let's say you're able to have this amount. Look at this. Check this out. Let me go and bring this down here. Look at this. Let's say you're able to get that amount. And let's say you spend 1,400. I'm just kind of guessing here, right? Let's say that. Look what happens. Look what happens. $1,400. Let's bring it up to about 1,700 here. Look at these numbers, ladies and gentlemen. 16,000, 175,000, $3.5 million. A lot needs to happen. I got excited. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain speaking here. I was looking at the profit here. Let me change the date here because happy 4th of July. I'll see you in the next video, but why not? Things can happen in the future.